Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're reviewing and we'll be checking out if the car glass oil film remover is legit or a scam. So guys, car maintenance products can be a hit or miss, and today we're looking at the car glass oil film remover. And does this automotive oil film brush really work, or is it just another scam? Let us take a closer look. So here's what to consider before buying the car glass oil film remover. Firstly, we have effectiveness. Many users report that it doesn't remove oil film as claimed, leaving behind streaks or minimal results. Low quality construction. Some reviewers mention that the brush feels flimsy and doesn't last long, which raises concerns about the overall quality of this product. After that, we have overhyped marketing. If the product promises too much, like effortless removal or tough stains, it's often a sign to be cautious about. After that, we have questionable reviews. If most reviews are either overly positive or appear only on product's website, they could be fabricated. Look for genuine feedback on other platforms. Now, let's make a verdict. While the car glass oil film remover might seem useful, it has mixed reviews and questionable claims, and they suggest it may not live to its expectations. If you're looking for a reliable solution for oil film, consider other tried and tested options. So guys, have you tried this product? Share your experience in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and automotive product insights. Thank you for watching. As always, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.